Just listen carefully to the question and then you can answer in any language na komportable ka. Okay? So here's the final question. The hottest environmental issue right now in Panglao, okay, for the past few months is the proposed reclamation project. As a youth, are you in favor of the project or not? Why? Again, the hottest environmental issue, okay, the most controversial environmental issue in Panglao for the past few months is the proposed reclamation project. As a youth, are you in favor of the project or not? Why? Are you ready? Okay, she's ready.
Thank you for that very nice question, sir. For me, as a Panglawanon, we have already many beautiful spots, but for the reclamation area, yes, it can help our tourists, it can help Panglao to be improved and kanang manon siya sa world. But I am not favor in that reclamation area because as a senior, as a concerned citizen of, as a Panglawanon, I am nagkuan ko sa mga tao nga mga fisherman nga nagkuan ka ng mga maoray lang panginabuhi unya maora ang ways nila nga para mapa-eskwela nila ilang mga anak. So I am not favor in that reclamation area, and that would be all. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much also, candidate number 14. So say masulti ni mo Fiel.
Murag tulog gid sila nga dili favor.
Okay, now.
Anyway.
So, Fiel, can you join me here?
Okay, well, what's
Okay.
important is, I always tell beauty pageant candidates
Okay.
that what's important in the question and answer portion is that you have to take a stand. Whether you support a yes or you support the no side, the last determining factor is how you defend your answer.
Okay, makahilak kay ko si Matubag, Fiel. Okay. So anyway, Fiel, this is it. This is not really on how, okay, what is the answer, but how they answer the question. Okay, now, as I call your names, ladies, step forward because the judges and the audience will be giving you the rank and their applause. Step forward, please. Candidate number 4. Will she give Look its first Miss Panglao title? It's anybody's guess, ladies and gentlemen. Step forward, please. Candidate number 12.
Will the candidate from Poblacion Uno show her wares to get the crown?
And finally, step forward, please. Candidate number 14.
Would she prove to be a tough contender, as with the other two ladies?
All right, now it's anybody's ball game, Fiel. So far they are the 3 most consistent ladies in the competition. And that wraps up this year's search for Miss Panglao 2010. In a few minutes, ladies and gentlemen, we
will have our special guest tonight, no other than Miss International 2005, Precious Lara Kigaman.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the 2005, the world-class beauty queen from our very own Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the 2005 Miss International, Precious Lara Kigaman. Okay, Precious, baka pwede kayong rumampa.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Okay pa ba kayo? Okay pa ba kayo? Ayan, unang-una po, gusto ko magpasalamat syempre sa Montero family. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you for having me. Congratulations dahil this is your first ever Miss Panglao. So, lalo na dun sa Panglao Youth Organization, sobrang congratulations for making this project possible.
Any project so far?
Ayan, sino saan? Impostor. Hindi po talaga masama ang ugali ko. Ayun, maraming salamat po. Impostor yan. Every afternoon po yan. ABS-CBN, after Rasaka. Thank you po sa panunood nyo. Wow! Lagot kayo kay Marco. Solid ka pamilya daw.
Okay, Precious, I think you are organizing a beauty pageant.
Yes, we did organize a beauty pageant. Turismo Pilipina kasi tulad ng Panglao Youth Organization, I'm sure yung plano nila, ang plan nila and purpose nila for putting up Miss Panglao is para ma-inspire yung young women na mag-join, para ma-develop yung self-confidence nila at makatulong sa ibang mga kababaihan.
Okay, now, mga higala, okay, gusto ba ninyo si Precious Miss Kigaman nga murampa diha para mapicturean ninyo ba? Yes!
Okay.
Yes, now, please. Careful.
Please welcome once again, ladies and gentlemen, Miss International 2005.
Lights on, please. Lights on, please. Lights on. Ayun. Oh, pwede kayo magpa-picture. Let's give her a big, big round of applause, please. And now let's call in our president, Miss Aya Montero, to please present the bouquet of flowers to our very beautiful, world-class, and celebrated beauty queen, Precious Lara Kigaman from Laguna. Can we have our photo up, please?
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Aya. I just want to add something. Gusto ko lang din mag-share. Just a short. Sandali lang po. Kadyot lang. 2 hours lang. Tama ba yung pisa? Oh? Ayan. Marunong ako gamay dahil kay Marco, tinuturuan niya ako. Ayan, I just want to share na before, bata pa lang po ako, pangarap ko na talaga mag-isang beauty queen. This is to serve as an inspiration sa lahat ng mga kababaihan, kahit sa mga kalalakihan po natin sa mga kabataan. Bata pa lang po ako, pangarap ko na talaga maging isang beauty queen. Kaya lang, ang dami sa akin nagsasabi, hindi ka pwedeng maging isang beauty queen dahil, unang-una, hindi raw po ako matangkad. Alam niyo po ba kung anong height ko? Hulaan niyo. Hula. 5'9"? Ayan. Ayan, usually po, ang mga sumasali talaga sa mga Miss International, Miss World at Miss Universe, 5'9", mga 5'10", may mga 6-footer pa. Pero ako po, tumataginting ang height ko sa taas na 5'5 and a half. Ayan, so ang dami po sa akin nagsasabi, hindi ka pwedeng manalo dahil maliit ka, kagako ng tenga mo, ayan, lumalabas daw sa buhok ko, ang laki daw ng labi ko, wala daw po akong hinaharap. So ang daming negative criticisms na sinasabi nila sa akin na I can't do it, na hindi posible na manalo ko. Pero dahil po naniwala ako sa sarili ko, naniwala po sa akin yung magulang ko, at naniniwala po ako sa Diyos na kaya niyang ibigay kahit gaano ka-imposible. Nanalo po ako ng Miss International noong 2005. And just to encourage all of you po, katulad ng nangyari kay Venus, nanggaling siya sa isang mahirap na pamilya, ang dami po sa atin nagsisimula sa gano'n. Kaya kayo po kung naiisip nyo na hindi kayo makakapagtapos ng pag-aaral, hindi nyo kayang maging doktor, maging nurse, maging teacher, kahit maging artista, hindi po totoo yun. Wala pong imposible. Kahit ano pong pangarapin nyo, if you put your heart into it, basta maniwala po kayo sa sarili nyo, manalig po kayo sa Diyos, then nothing is impossible. Kayang-kaya nyo po yan. Ayun po.
Thank you very much once again, Lara.
Maraming
And
salamat po.
that should be an inspiration to all the young Panglawanas who are here this morning.
That's right. Thank you, Aya. Thank you po, Miss Nila, and kay Kagawad, Ondo. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much. Please stay with us, Miss Kigaman. We would also like to request Miss Ana Maris Igpit to join us here, please. And Madame Rose Soy, our reigning Mrs. Bohol International. Because we are now going to have our coronation.
We are in the company of beautiful women.
Finalists, can you please join us here?
Okay, in a few seconds, we shall be giving you the grand winners of Miss Panglao 2010, starting with
the second runner-up. Okay, now get ready, Mr. Johnny Tabigil Lynch and
Lovina Bolanday.
Okay, for the
to give a sash. For the bouquet, we have Renante Balani and EJ Relampagos.
For the crown, Mr. Glenn Soco and
Aya Montero.
And
the cash will be given by Councilor Frank Montero and Madame Nila Montero.
The second runner-up, we would also like to request another beauty queen, Miss Ruby Mejos, to please join us on stage.
That's on behalf of Madame Nila.
Okay, and by the way, friends, okay, Fiel here is also a beauty queen because she